Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you how to fix Chromebook not charging problem in a simple and quick way. If your Chromebook isn't charging, first check your charger and cable for any damage and make sure it's properly plugged in to both the device and the power outlet. Next, try using a different socket to rule out power issues. Now, look at the charging light on your Chromebook to see if it turns on. If not, unplug the charger, wait a few seconds, then plug it back in firmly. After that, perform a hard reset by pressing the refresh key and power button together for a few seconds. You can also let the battery drain completely, then charge it again for about 30 minutes before turning it on. Finally, if the issue still continues, try a different charger or consider getting the battery checked, and your Chromebook should start charging normally again. Subscribe the channel for more videos.